Corrugated metal roofs are great for mounting solar for your farm or business. Most people don't understand how we attach our panels without causing roof leaks. Today, we're going to show you exactly how it's done. This is our S5 solar foot attachment. This attachment has butyl on the back. We run 4 screws directly into the purlin, and when they pull down, it takes the butyl and creates a watertight seal. If you want to see how these are made, check out our factory tour, video link in the description below. Now that we've laid out our roof here, we've identified our top purlin and our bottom purlin for our rails. The next step will be laying out our attachments and screwing them down. For this video, we are attaching to a wood purlin, which we'll be using this screw to attach. If this roof had metal trusses or purlins, we would be using this screw to attach. When we're using the metal screws, this is a self-tapping screw, and sometimes we do have to pre-drill where the steel overlaps. Typically on these installs, we're able to follow the screw lines, but it's always best to flex the metal above and below to verify the location of the purlin before setting the attachment. I've verified that this screw head is center of the purlin, so I'll set my attachment down. Once all our attachments are in place, it's time for the L-foot. We have the option of mounting rail on the lower part, or we can flip it and put the rail up, which in this situation, with where our panel is going to be, I'm going to choose to put the rail on the top side. And now that all our attachments and L-feet are in place, we're ready to install the rail. Now that our rails are in place, the next step is to mount the optimizers and complete the DC wiring. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to skip straight to mounting panels. And that's how we install solar on a corrugated metal roof. If you have questions about what it looks like to go solar, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you're considering taking the next step in your solar journey, be sure to check out our solar price calculator to get a ballpark cost in 30 seconds. We'll provide a link right below the video. Thanks for watching.